Architectural design, this concepts that such a request typically implies, especially following the context of our previous discussions about luxury homes. I will structure this as a general summary of key architectural design concepts. Core concepts of architectural design, a summary of ideas. Architectural design is the process of creating a concept and shaping the user's experience within a built environment. It balances art, science, and functionality. Here are the fundamental ideas. 1. The why, core principles. These are the foundational goals that guide all design decisions. Functionalism, form follows function. The building's purpose should dictate its shape and layout. A house should live well, an office should work efficiently. Durability and stability. For Midas, the structure must be sound, safe, and built to last, using appropriate materials and engineering. Utility and usability. Utilitas. The space must be functional and effectively serve the needs of its inhabitants. Delight and aesthetics. Venustus. The design should be beautiful and create a positive emotional response. 2. The what. Essential elements. These are the tangible components a designer manipulates. Form and massing. The overall 3D shape of the building. Is it a single cube, multiple interconnected volumes, or a flowing, organic form? Space. The void within the form where people live and work. Good design carefully sculpts this space. Light. One of the most crucial elements. Natural light defines a space, creates mood, and highlights textures. Artificial lighting extends functionality and ambiance into the night. Materials. The choice of materials, e.g. wood, concrete, glass, stone, defines the building's texture, color, durability, and environmental impact. Line and rhythm. The use of lines, vertical, horizontal, dynamic, and repeating elements like windows or columns to create visual movement and order. 3. The how. Organizing principles. These are the tools used to organize the elements into a coherent whole. Balance. Achieving visual equilibrium. This can be symmetrical, mirrored on both sides, or asymmetrical, balanced through different elements of equal visual weight. Proportion and scale. Ensuring the sizes of elements relate harmoniously to each other and to the human body. Contrast. Using opposing elements, light versus dark, smooth versus rough, solid versus void, to create visual interest and highlight important features. Hierarchy. Emphasizing the most important parts of a structure, e.g. the main entrance, through size, design, or location. Circulation. The thoughtful design of how people move through a space, creating a logical and pleasant flow from one area to another. Applying these concepts to a luxury home. Inferred from previous context. If your image is of a modern luxury house, the design concept likely synthesizes these ideas as follows. Concept: modern, organic, opulence. The goal is to create a luxurious, contemporary home that feels connected to its natural surroundings. Form and massing. Clean, geometric lines and flat roofs. Modernism, but broken into multiple volumes to avoid a monolithic feel and create dynamic shadows. Function and circulation. An open floor plan that encourages flow with large glass walls. Function that blur the line between inside and outside. Delight. Material and contrast. A palette of sleek stucco, rich stone, and vast panels of glass creates a textural contrast that is both luxurious and visually engaging. Light and space. Large windows and high ceilings flood the interior with natural light. Delight. Utility. Making the space feel expansive and airy. In essence, architectural design is about solving a problem, shelter, work, gathering, in a way that is technically sound, functionally brilliant, and aesthetically inspiring.